What if I told you there's one tiny hidden spot on your body, just a small area that when massaged with castor oil could spark better blood flow and bring back firmer, stronger erections right at home? No pills, no pricey treatments, just your own hands and a simple nightly routine. Sounds intriguing, right? Well, buckle in, because tonight I'm going to walk you step by step through this natural method, explain why it works, and how you can start using it right away to reclaim your spark. But first, please like the video. The more people like it, the more YouTube will distribute it to people who don't have access to doctors or hospitals. Also, please share the video with your friends and family. Many lives can be saved with your help, so share it. Now, you might be thinking, how could rubbing oil on skin possibly boost erections? It sounds almost too simple, but here's the truth. The male body is full of secret connections between nerves, blood vessels, and muscles that team up like a symphony to create an erection. When you know where to focus and add a natural helper like castor oil, you give your body the gentle nudge it's been waiting for to perform the way it used to. I'm Dr. Masha, and for over a decade as a urologist, I've helped men just like you rebuild confidence, restore circulation, and feel powerful again in the bedroom. What I'm sharing today is something I've seen bring real, lasting improvements in men over 50 without side effects or complicated routines. Let's start with the oil itself. Castor oil is no newcomer. It's been trusted for thousands of years in traditional medicine. Ancient Egyptians used it to heal wounds, while in India, it's long been central for cleansing and restoring the body. People knew even then that this oil can go deeper than the surface. Unlike many oils that just sit on top, castor oil's molecules are small enough to sink into the deeper layers of tissue. That means it reaches muscles, tiny capillaries, and even nerve endings tucked just under the skin. The result? A natural warming effect. Tissues soften, muscles release tension, and blood vessels relax. Think of a frozen garden hose in winter when it's stiff. Water barely trickles through, but warm it up and suddenly the flow returns. That's what castor oil helps your body do. Thaw and open the little vessels that carry blood where you need it most. Now let's connect this to erections. Erections are really just a beautiful duet of blood flow and nerve response. When arousal hits, your brain tells arteries to widen so blood can rush into the chambers of the penis. But if those arteries have grown stiff, clogged, or sluggish with age, the duet falls apart. Your mind feels desire, but your body can't deliver. Here's where castor oil becomes powerful. Massaging it on the right spot not only melts tension in the tissue, it stimulates the pelvic blood vessels that directly feed the penis. It's like opening a hidden gateway that's been stuck for years. Fresh, oxygen-rich blood floods back in, and with repetition, those vessels grow healthier, stronger, and more responsive. And there's another bonus. Castor oil contains a natural compound called ricinoleic acid that's known to reduce inflammation. Many men over 50 carry silent inflammation in their pelvic area from years of sitting, sluggish circulation, or prostate changes. This low-level irritation tightens vessels and chokes blood flow. Applying castor oil soothes that inflammation at its source, calming the tissues so blood can glide freely again. Picture this. You massage the oil, your fingertips work that spot, and within minutes, warmth radiates through your pelvis. That warmth isn't just on the surface, it's circulation roaring back to life. Over time, your body remembers this sensation, and the more you do it, the more easily it responds when arousal strikes. So, where exactly is this spot? It's called the perineum. You'll find it in that soft little area between the base of your scrotum and your anus. Most men barely think about it because, well, it's not exactly cocktail party conversation. But here's the surprise. This area is like a hidden command center for male sexual vitality. Beneath that thin layer of skin runs a whole network crucial to erections. There are muscles known as the pelvic floor muscles wrapping around your prostate and the base of your penis like a supportive hammock. These muscles are responsible for the strength of your erections. It's the force of your ejaculation and even your ability to hold urine. Keeping them active and well stimulated is one of the most Overlooked secrets to staying sexually strong after 50. Right alongside those. Muscles are delicate blood vessels, tiny highways, carrying oxygen-rich blood straight into the penis. Over the years, as circulation slows or the muscles weaken, these vessels can grow restricted, and that's when firmness begins to fade. And then there are the nerves. Right in the perineum run key branches of the pudendal nerve, which carries those electrical arousal messages from the brain directly to the penis. Think of it as the power cable. If it's dull, signals are weak. If it's stimulated, the entire system lights up down now. When you massage this area, you're not just rubbing skin. You're waking up all three systems at once, the blood vessels and the nerves. You're strengthening the pelvic floor, easing the pressure that blocks blood flow, and sending a surge of stimulation through the nerves that control erections. It's like hitting a hidden reset button for your sexual function. Suddenly, what felt sluggish begins to respond again. The muscles tighten with support, the blood vessels let flow surge through, and the nerves carry clearer signals. Over time, this kind of targeted stimulation can restore not only your ability to get firm, but also your confidence and energy as a man. Here's how to do it. Picture yourself tonight in a calm, quiet room. Maybe you've just stepped out of a warm shower and your body is loose, the tension of the day washed away. That's perfect, because warmth helps the oil penetrate deeper and lets your muscles fully relax. Take a small amount of castor oil into your palm, just enough to coat your fingertips lightly. Rub it between your hands for a few seconds until it feels warm and comfortable. Then sit or lie back somewhere you can completely relax, legs slightly apart. Comfort matters, because when your body feels safe and at ease, the benefits are even stronger. Place your fingertips on that soft spot just behind the scrotum. Start gently. Use small, slow circles, letting your touch feel steady and reassuring rather than forceful. Remember, this isn't about pressure, it's about coaxing the muscles and vessels open. Think of it like soothing a tired muscle after a long walk. As you continue those circular motions, notice how warmth starts to bloom there. Some men describe a light tingling, others a gentle pulsing. Both are good. It's blood beginning to flow into a region that may have been neglected for years. After a few minutes, you can deepen the massage slightly. Switch from fingertips to your thumb or the base of your hand. Add a little more pressure, but keep it slow and deliberate. Move in circles or gently up and down that soft area. Imagine you're unlocking tightness in a muscle that's been clenched for years. Take your time. There's no need to rush. 5 to 7 minutes is usually enough, but if it feels comfortable, go a bit longer. Let the oil soak in. Let your body respond at its own pace. Over time, with repetition, this practice does more than bring warmth. It wakes up the nerves that carry arousal signals, strengthens the pelvic floor muscles that support firmness, and improves the circulation that feeds the penis. Each session is like gentle training for your body, teaching it to respond the way it once did, naturally activating the pelvic floor and letting blood reach the penis more effectively, restoring both confidence and natural healing. Now, here's something important. This is not an instant fix, like flipping a light switch. The goal here is natural healing. By doing this simple routine a few times a week, you're gently training your body to respond better, to restore the function that may have faded slowly over the years. I've had patients tell me that after just 2 weeks, they started noticing firmer morning erections again. Others said they felt a subtle warmth in the area during the day that they hadn't felt in years. Small signs that the body is waking up. And here's something I really want you to hear. After 50, many men quietly convince themselves their best days are behind them. They accept weaker erections as just part of aging. Some even pull away from intimacy altogether, because they don't want it, but because they feel embarrassed or disappointed in their own bodies. But let me tell you something. From years of working with men in my clinic, most of these struggles are not about desire. Your heart still craves closeness. Your brain still sends the same signals of attraction and excitement it always has. Deep down, you are still the same man. What has changed isn't the desire, it's the circulation. The highways that carry blood to the penis have. simply grown stiff, narrow, or tired from years of wear. That means the problem isn't a loss of manhood. It's a loss of flow, and flow can be restored. Just like exercise reawakens tired muscles and good food brings back your energy. There are simple practices that reawaken circulation where you need it most. By choosing something as simple as a castor oil massage, you're sending your body a powerful message. You are not done. You are not surrendering. You are giving yourself permission to restore what's been slipping away and to feel alive again in your own skin. Every time you do this massage, you're not just working on your body, you're making a statement to yourself. You are choosing strength over decline. You are choosing vitality over giving up. And that choice, repeated day after day, trains your body to remember what it's capable of. Imagine 3 weeks from now. You wake up in the morning, and before your eyes even open, you notice something different. There's a firmness, a strength you almost forgot. You smile quietly to yourself because it feels like your body is alive again, responding the way it used to. That moment of confidence, that quiet reminder of your vitality, isn't just a fantasy. It's the natural result of small, consistent steps like this one simple routine. But let's take it even further. Because while the castor oil massage is powerful on its own, there are a few simple habits that can multiply the results. First, hydration. Blood is mostly water. If you're not drinking enough, your blood gets thicker, your vessels constrict, and circulation slows down. Think of it like trying to push syrup through a strat, just won't move the same way. When you stay hydrated, your blood flows smoothly and your vessels stay more flexible. That means when arousal comes, blood can actually reach the penis quickly and fully. So carry a glass or a bottle of water with you and sip often rather than chugging all at once. Second, movement. Stretching your hips and lower back daily makes a bigger difference than most men realize. Those areas are like crossroads for circulation. If they're tight and stiff, blood gets stuck in your core and never makes it down to your pelvis. Simple stretches like pulling your knees gently to your chest while lying down, or slowly rotating your hips open that flow. Gentle squats or even standing leg raises also wake up the pelvic floor, the very muscles that support strong erections. These movements don't have to be complicated. Just 5 to 10 minutes a day can keep the pathways clear. And one more habit you can't ignore: reducing long hours of sitting. Most men spend their days parked in chairs at desks, in cars, on couches. Sitting too long presses directly on the perineum and pelvic vessels, cutting off circulation to the very area you're trying to heal. I recommend standing up at least once every hour. Walk around the room, stretch, or take a few deep breaths while moving your body. Even 2 or 3 minutes of light activity each hour can undo the damage of prolonged sitting. Don't underestimate this. It costs almost nothing, takes only minutes, and it can transform how you feel in your body and in your relationships. So tonight, take that small step. Warm the oil in your hands. Find that hidden spot. Massage gently. Remind yourself, you are not done. Your body is still capable of vitality, strength, and pleasure. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe, because here we talk about real, natural methods that help men over 50 reclaim their health and confidence. Don't just age. Asterisk, and remember this. My friend, aging is not a cliff you fall off. It's a road you walk, and how you walk, it is up to you. You don't have to surrender your vitality, your confidence, or your spark, just because the calendar says you're over 50. Every small choice you make tells your body what to believe. When you choose to show up for yourself with something as simple as this nightly massage, you're choosing to say, I still matter. My strength still matters. My passion still matters. That kind of mindset sends ripples through everything from your energy during the day to the intimacy you share at night. Think about how powerful that is. If you've spent decades showing up for others, your family, your work, your responsibilities, now it's time to show up for you. Not out of vanity, but out of respect for the man you've always been, the man who still lives in you. This journey isn't about chasing youth, it's about reclaiming your rightful vitality on your terms. And it starts with one small, quiet decision to believe your body can respond again, because it can. Just needs your patience, your consistency, and your belief. So make tonight your first step. Light a candle, turn on some calming music. Treat it as a moment of care instead of a chore. Warm the oil, take your time, and let your body relearn what it's capable of. Each session isn't just physical, it's emotional. It's a way of telling yourself, I'm not finished. I still deserve to feel alive. Over the weeks ahead, as warmth returns and strength quietly builds, you'll know deep down this wasn't just about circulation. It was about courage. And if this message resonates with you, don't walk this path alone. Subscribe to the channel so you never miss a new method, a new boost, a new reason to believe in yourself again. Leave a comment about your journey. It might be the spark that gives another man hope. Because that's what this is about. Not just restoring blood flow, but restoring belief. You are still capable. You are still strong. And your story isn't over yet.